I think it's better here. I will touch one here. A 3 days program. They must obey. You scared me.
Pastor, what are you doing?
I have a power-packed program coming up. I'm trying to place a notice.
Papa, talk to him.
So your program is coming and you are writing it with a marker. You are writing it. As old as you are writing it. You cannot go to a very good media house and print a good design.
Is it not clear?
Have you not heard of OCM Print?
Tell me something.
Just go to Google and search OCM Prints. They will give you a very good design for this your program.
And you know the most interesting part of it? The prices are affordable.
I will still play this one here, then I will go.
My friend, move that away from there. Go and print a very good design.